Hi, this is Mary Jane Brixer from Lioness Publications. And sorry, allergies is still bad. That's why I'm wearing the mask. Now, I've got a different chart up, and this is based on a lot of factors. Now, this is a chart for the United States, and it covers more than just the economy, but it does give you a good indication of where the economy is heading. Now, the darker colors here are, in effect, the ones above the zero are what's called yield. The ones below the zero are risk factors. So we can see at the beginning of the year here that we actually had a little bit of drop down into risk. And the lighter color here is what's called a transient. And the darker color is a core level. So in effect, sorry, what's happening is that this was all the noise that was going on with the tariffs. And it was noise, and it was sort of like very quick. So you get reports of what's going on. So the stock market would fluctuate. People would talk about it. But it wasn't really hitting the prices yet. It wasn't, in effect, actually resulting in actions that could hurt people. So let's take a look at over here. We can actually see that we're going to start going downhill more. We're not going to have as much positive, and up here it's positive, it gets negative. And this is a difficult chart to see the changes. So let's take a look at this one. This is a delta. Shows us exactly where we have the yield and the risk and the transient. And the transient is the lighter color. The core is the darker. What I want to point out is that right here, right around 4-1, we have the core line, in effect, going down from positive into negative territory. And it's going down for quite a ways. Okay? And see here, down, starts coming up in the fall. What that indicates is that there's going to be some issues with the economy. So I don't think Trump is going to be able to resolve the tariffs. I think the people of the United States are probably going to be in for some hurt here, more than what might be expected. I think the stock market, which is a reflection of some of this, but that's probably going to go down further. So this is just as a note, this is what's coming up. And I'll be coming back to this chart, and I'll also be doing the astrological factors probably at some point, because this doesn't end this year. It's going to go into next year too. So have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.